What's going on YouTube? It's your boy TopDownKickz with his first video. I got a pair of taxi Jordan 12s right here. As you can see, it needs to be cleaned, painted, and creases knocked out with a shoe tree. So the very first thing you want to do is remove the laces. And as you can see, the shoe needs to be scrubbed, so let's move over to the sink. Scrub and scrub away with hand soap, dishwashing soap, with a little bleach, it don't matter. And the next step you want to do is bust out the acrylic black paint. You want to do light coats only on the areas that needs to be painted. And carry on and proceed to wherever. And as again, light coats, guys, maybe 1 or 2. Yeah. Looking good, looking good. And on this next step, I got a handheld hair blow dryer. We're just gonna go over around the shoe 1 or 2 seconds, 5 seconds at the most, and you guys is good to go. And let the shoe air dry once again. And as you can see, guys, we need some white paint in the front toe, and we need a little bit of paint on the side of the shoe there. This shouldn't take but like 5 minutes at the most. Now at this part, you want to take your time on that front toe. I know most of you guys like to tape off the shoe, but here me, I'm a profession. I like to do it hands-on, you know. TopDownKickz, giving it to you raw right here. And don't forget to subscribe to my new channel, guys. And if you made it this far, make sure you hit that like button. And as you can see right here, I did a quick clean up with this acrylic finisher. You can use gloss, normal gloss. It doesn't really matter, guys. Now, with this, you want to do very, very light coats and paint away. And don't freak out, guys, when you see the little bubbles foaming. It is normal. So here on this last step, I'm just finishing up on the uppers a little bit. And don't forget to get the tiny scratch marks that you filled in with the paint areas. Just make sure you put a little acrylic finisher on that. And here on this next step, I got a matte finisher. I know you guys never seen this before, but you can buy this at Walmart for only $5 to $6. I'm gonna show you guys straight raw with just a couple sprays. Now on the first spray, you want to spray out and then in onto the shoe. No longer than, what, a half a second. Don't freak out if you see a lot of wetness on the shoe. It will dry literally in seconds. As you can see, I'm just going over the part that I painted only, guys. The only areas that I painted with acrylic finisher, that's the only area I painted to give it that nice matte look. These results, here are the fine results of these taxi retro Jordan 12s, guys. And don't forget to use your shoe trees. This is a God's gift to you, these bad boys. But if you made it this far, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.